Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I've got a very special 1973 Corvette Restomod for you guys. This thing is supporting an LS1 under the hood, full coilover suspension, big wheelwood brakes, forge line wheels, and the list keeps going, guys. But we're going to go ahead and start this review. As you can tell, this car's done it in a beautiful white paint. It's got subtle touches like C7 badging all across the car. You've got that big cowl hood over that LS1 engine, but the front of the car here is in great condition. Some minor little chips here and there, but that's expected with a Corvette, especially one that's been driven. And this car was definitely built to be driven, guys. As you can see, you do have the forge line wheels there. It's kind of done in a gray color on the lip with a matte black finish in the front. Those are actual two-piece wheels there, guys. 6-piston brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. Definitely give you plenty of stopping power for this Corvette. Once again, you see the C7 badging here with the Stingray emblem right there on the side. Just a really cool touch for this car. Kind of brings in the modern Corvette into the old school C3 here. But overall, very, very cool. I like all the touches of the black. So anything on this car that was originally chrome, they did in a matte black. They also did the removable hardtop here in a matte black, as well as the roll bar in there as well, which we'll show you that too. Your door handles are done in a matte black. All your gaps on this car are in excellent condition. This car was built with very good quality and good craftsmanship. We'll go ahead and open the door here. Show you that it shuts nice like it should. As we work our way to the back here, you do have the forge line wheel out back as well. And some of you guys might say, well, hey, you know, those tires are kind of tall on there, but man, it really gives this car a really good ride. And that is an easy fix. You could easily put a smaller tire on there. With it being coilover, you can adjust the ride height as well. As we work our way around the back side of the car here, I do want to point out that the car is very straight. There's no major defects or anything. This car being mostly fiberglass, you're not going to have any dents or anything like that. The common issues that you see with fiberglass would be cracking. There's no cracking on the body of this car. Like I said, the paint is really, really nice on it. I don't even know if the video does it any justice. But as we work our way around the backside, your bumper here, so 73 is a 1 year only when they kept the metal bumpers in the back and went with the rubber nose up front. But it looks really good with that matte black bumper back there. Definitely gives it that pro touring look. Also, you do have the C7 Corvette rear badge there that goes on the C7. Just gives it a little modern touch. And you got your classic 4-round tail lights back there. But overall, a very, very nice Corvette, guys. But let's go ahead and let's move back up front so I can show you that LS1 power plant. All right, guys, check out the LS1 power plant underneath the hood here. It's a perfect fit. That's one great thing with these LS motors. They fit in tight places. You do have the wheelwood master cylinder here with the booster, so you do have power brakes. You have AC on this car and it blows nice and cold. This LS1 is supporting long tube headers and a nice little camshaft from Brian Tooley. So you get that little extra power, but it's not a super large cam, so you still keep your drivability, but you get the added horsepower. Overall, very clean under the engine bay here. And this engine just looks like it fits right there, like it's right at home. But overall, just a great package for this C3. One thing, being in this car business, I don't see a lot of C3s that are done like Restomods like this. So when we came across this one, we had to jump on it, and this thing is a blast to drive. But guys, with that being said, let's wrap this up and let's move to the interior so I can show you what that's got to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful, freshly done Corvette interior. It's done in a nice black. You've got leather here on the seats that look amazing. You've got a matching 3-spoke steering wheel here that's wrapped in leather as well. All your door panels are in excellent condition, and they're also finished in a leather-like material. You do have Dakota digital gauges that illuminate blue with a silver backing. Looks really good. You'll also have a JVC head unit there, a little bit modern, super cool. You've got Bluetooth and a few other little things like that on there. You also have vintage AC controls there with that modern AC system on that LS1 engine. I really like this center console with the cup holders and that 6-speed Tremec transmission shifter there with the carbon fiber accents. It just gives this thing really sporty look. Your dash pad is in great condition, guys. Everything on this car, this was a frame up restoration, so everything on this thing was redone or touched, and it just looks really good. You do have the roll bar here as well. That adds a little extra strength to the chassis, keeps everything nice and stiff, but also adds protection. But guys, with that being said, the interior is pretty much spot on and looks really great. But let's get to my best part, and let's take this Corvette for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the 73 Corvette, and this thing is just fantastic with the modern suspension, the brakes, the LS1 under the hood, the Tremec 6-speed transmission. This thing is a blast to drive, and it has a great sounding exhaust. But overall, just a great car. All your gauges work, your radio sounds great, your cup holders work great, transmission shifts smooth. But overall, just a great car. The steering's nice and responsive. Car feels amazing. But overall, just a really nice Corvette, guys. But let's go ahead and get back to the shop, put this one up on the lift so I can show you how nice the bottom side is. All right, guys, we're back from the test drive. We have the Corvette up on the lift. And guys, let me tell you, this is one amazing car. You can tell just by looking at the bottom side here, it's super clean. Let's go ahead and start up front here with the radiator. You do have a nice aftermarket aluminum radiator with nice electric fans with a shroud. That's really gonna keep this LS1 cool. You've got tubular upper and lower A-arms with some coilovers here. This is really nice. They are adjustable. They're QA1, so you get the best ride quality and the best performance out of these. As you can tell, everything's been coated in a black paint, and it looks really, really clean under here. You do have your T56 transmission here. Everything looks like it should. I really like these headers here. It's super custom to have them rolled out like that into the side pipes there, especially for an LS1. That was definitely pretty custom done. But we just did fresh oil change in this as well, so you got fresh oil in there. But all your floor pans are in great condition under here. Like I said, everything's been coated in a black undercoating. You got coilovers out here, as well as some aftermarket control arms. Justin, if you'll come over here, we'll show the aftermarket sway bar here. So you got a Van Steel sway bar back here. And as you can see here, you got your fuel filter and your fuel pump here. Brand new gas tank. You got disc brakes in the front and the rear. I meant to mention that they're Willwoods. Super, super nice though. Super clean under here. This is one of my favorite cars in our showroom right now. This thing drives like a brand new Corvette. Super nice. If you guys are interested in this Corvette, go ahead and give us a call at 770-738-7111. And if you're watching this video on YouTube and have not gone to our website, go to collectiblemotor.com. Click the inventory tab at the top, scroll down until you see this beautiful Corvette. Click on there and you can look at all the pictures and the description we have. If you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.